Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get vitamin D from sunlight. To begin, understand that your skin naturally produces vitamin D when exposed to ultraviolet B rays. For most people, a brief period of sun exposure is sufficient. Aim for about 10 to 30 minutes of midday sun, ideally between 10 a.m. and 3 p.m. This duration can vary based on your skin type and location. To maximize vitamin D production, expose a significant portion of your skin, such as your arms and legs. The sun's rays are strongest and most effective for vitamin D synthesis during midday hours, typically from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. Remember, sunscreen effectively blocks the UVB rays needed for vitamin D production, so consider a short, unprotected exposure before applying it for longer periods. While sun exposure is beneficial, safety is paramount. Always avoid sunburn, as it increases skin cancer risk. The amount of UVB radiation reaching you depends on your geographic location and the season. Closer to the equator and during summer months, the sun is stronger. If you have concerns about your vitamin D levels or safe sun exposure, it is always best to consult with a healthcare professional. Several factors can influence how much vitamin D you get from the sun. Cloud cover, air pollution, and even glass windows can significantly reduce the amount of beneficial UVB rays that reach your skin. Remember, glass blocks UVB, so you won't produce vitamin D sitting by a window. For more tips and deals, including a fresh scent for your car, check out the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.